Okay, guys, this is how we get our feed, is in 55-gallon drums like this. We take it to the factory. They fill it for us. We were having a problem when we got home being able to get it out of the truck and get it here to the shop. And we were having to wrap a chain around the drum, and then the drum hung sideways, and it was just a mess trying to get that drum in here and get it on the dolly. We bought the apparatus there that's made to pick drums up with off of Amazon, not knowing if it would really be what we need, if it would work. But guys, it worked. There'll be a link in the description down below to this piece of equipment that we got here. It was only like $60, and it was well worth it, I'm going to tell you. Made it a lot safer, a lot easier for one person to handle it, as a matter of fact. So I highly advise that if you've got a homestead where you get your feed in 55-gallon drums. They say it'll work on plastic or metal. Now, we haven't tried it on the plastic. We only tried it on the metal. It worked fantastic on the metal. So get you one of these if you own a homestead, because it's not that expensive, and you can take your tractor and do a lot of stuff that you normally wouldn't do with drums a lot safer. So thank you from Deep South Homestead.